Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fash. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Continue watching this video and please continue subscribing. It is free. Let's hit 1,500 subscribers by the end of this month. Thank you. In this video, we are going to make a DIY, how to make a face mask, mask. Oh my god. In this video, we are going to make a face mask from home. With the ongoing pandemic, we need a mask everywhere we go to protect yourself from the germs that you are aware of. So instead of buying the masks, you can make your own mask at home using available pieces of fabric. You can use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt. You can buy a piece of fabric. You can use also a shopping bag to cut it into a mask. So let's get into the video. For this face mask, you'll need a plate, thread and needle, and a piece of fabric. And then you get your plate, place it on the fabric. I don't think I'm going to put those words in So guys, here what I did was sew. I sew through what you are seeing on the video. I did it with my own free hand, but if you have a sewing machine, life can be easier, much easier for you. But because guys, on this channel we are still struggling, so I did it with my bare hands. So again, I realized that the layers were thick enough, so I did not overlay them. I got 2 masks from this one fabric. So yeah, thanks to the piece of fabric. So guys, that is the mask of ours. It looks pretty good, so pretty. So I want to put elastic bands on both ends to hold your ear, and not too long to make the mask hang, and not too short to make your mask very tight on your face. So you want to make it very comfortable and measure the length. I'm sorry guys, I didn't include the length for you, but if you need a more detailed length, yeah, you can get into the description below for that. Thank you guys. That is our pretty mask. Ta-da! guys, and there you have it. This is our little face mask. It is so convenient for you and for your nose. It has space at the center, you can see. It does not really block your nose while you're walking and you're carrying out about your daily businesses. I have put two little elastics on the end to hook up on your ear to make sure that you're not so suffocating in the mask. So let's try it on. Hey guys, I am currently outside our house, at my parents' house, after I have done the mask. I think the face mask was a success. I like it. It is breathable. You can breathe. It does not really suffocate you like some masks I've seen around. So I am happy. You should be happy too. Thank you for watching this video. If you like such videos, please comment, put your comment in the section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. And also, if you don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Bye bye. Imagine I can't say face mask.